Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got a couple of premium cases for the Galaxy Note 9 that we wanted you all to check out. Now, we normally don't buy cases, but we've seen these two awesome cases, and we just had to have it for the lineup, just in case we go out, we want to accessorize, we'll have it accessible. Now, with that being said, I got both cases off of Amazon.com, and I will leave the link in the description where you guys can go check this out. Cool? Now, just to let you know, this is definitely, is always going to be an honest review. All right? Now, we want to check this one out first, so we're going to put this one to the side, put the phone to the side for a second, and we're going to take a look at this case here. Now, I seen this case online, and I'm telling you, I had to have this case. This case is beautiful. I like the woven look to this, gives it a nice design, gives it a nice premium look once it's on the phone. Now, this actually comes in 6 different colors. It comes in black, blue, brown, and yes, ladies, pink, purple, and red. So they got colors to fit all people, and it looks nicer in person, I'm telling you. All right, so let's take a look at it. First, you get the camera placement. I like the design because it looks just like the Galaxy Note 9. You got your fingerprint scanner placement. You also got your ports at the bottom. We're going to check and see, make sure all of those fit. But if you can see, there's little microscopic holes in here that allow the phone to breathe, which is pretty cool, which will help the phone stay cool. I like that, right? But I like the fact that it's flexible and it should fit right on the phone. So let's go ahead, let's take a look at this. Slide it in, went right on, no problem, right? Not a bad deal. Now, here's the thing about this. Once you put this case on, it feels 20 times better. Once it's on, it feels good on your hand. Once you hold it like this, not bad at all. Has a nice grip to it. It's not slippery at all, but this looks good. I like the way the blue is shining through. This video, again, isn't going to do it justice, but it seems like everything lines up. My camera placement, my flash, and my fingerprint scanner. My ports seems to be lined up. Not a problem. Let's see if I can get my S Pen. No problem. I can get to my S Pen. Put it back in, and yeah, this is not bad at all. Let's check the power button. Okay, power button works. Just check the volume button. Volume button works with no problem. But I'm telling you people, you're gonna like this one. This one I paid $11 for. Don't pass this one up. This one is nice. This pattern feels really, really good. And again, if you're gonna dress to impress, this is definitely gonna impress some people once they see this case. I'm telling you, this one is nice. All right. Now, the other thing is that it doesn't have much of a lip. If you can see that, very short, but it will sit on the table, rises just a little bit, but I wouldn't trust it. So be careful how you slam your phone on the table. Now, if you're into out of box, then this video definitely is not for you. You might as well keep it moving. I like slim cases. This is a slim fit, no bulk at all. If you're into that like I am, then this case is definitely going to be right up your alley. All right, you all, let's check out case number 2. Okay, you all, case number 2. Now, this one is nice. It's by a company called Hontech. Again, from Amazon.com. The link will be in the description down below if you so choose to go check this case out. Now, what I like about this one is that it has an aluminum feel, feels kind of like metal. It looks good. It's blending in with blue and black, which looks awesome. That's what really caught my eye. This is tempered glass, right? Very nice, looks very premium, and it's a magnetic case. So what you do is you just take the case off like this, you put your phone in, let it slam down. No problem at all, right? Comes apart like that, as you can hear it. And when you put your phone in this, it's gonna really feel premium. It adds a little bit more bulk than the TPU case that we just got through taking a look at, but that's no problem. That's not a problem at all. But we gotta see if this is gonna fit, right? Now, first off, I gotta tell you, I was very disappointed when I got this case. If you look real closely, these here are not attached securely. Somehow it's a sticky right here, and this little plastic piece sticks right on it where it came off on me, and that for me is going to be a deal breaker. Now, I'm doing the video just in case you've seen this online and you decide to order it. You know that this is what you're going to get. Now, can you get away with it? Yeah, but the question is for how long, right? Now, it looks good with the case in it, definitely, but I don't like the fact that that little piece fell off, and that means that that one will fall off, that one will fall off. But once you put it back on and you lock this in, it kind of locks it in place. But wonder if I want to change this every day. you know, just to clean my phone, then it's going to be a problem. So let me show you how it goes. Okay, so you put it on and it snaps right on. I'm telling you, that problem, if it wasn't for that, I would keep this case. Also, it's not securely in here, although the magnet on here, the magnet is strong, so it's not going to come out, right? But I don't like the fact, you hear it, that it moves on the inside of the phone. That I'm not okay with. I do like the look. I do like the feel of this case once I have it in the hand. It's really, really premium feeling. The blue shines through because the case is clear. You have a logo down here of the designer, and it feels good. Now the buttons, they do work when they work. I mean, they do work, not a problem, right? Once it's in. This one here, the Bixby button, let's take a look at it. The Bixby button does work. And that's the button that came out on me. The volume rocker does work. I mean, it's a good looking case. Ports line up. Of course, the camera placement, fingerprint scanner, you can get to with no problem. It's raised just a little bit to keep your camera off the table if you're going to put it down this way. But it does not have a lip, very small lip, right? So if you put it down, again, just like the other case, you need to be mindful how you lay this down. Other than that, this is a beautiful case. It adds a little bit of weight to the phone, makes it feel a lot more premium. I like it. I like it. Will I keep it? No. This is definitely a deal breaker for me. I can't deal with the fact that that comes off. I can't. And it just sticks right on. Let me take it off and let's look at this again. Because some of you all probably seen this case and you've been debating on whether you should get it or not. But this is what it looks like. Right here. See how flimsy it is? Right there. And this one came off. Now it's just sticking on here. I don't know how long the adhesive is going to last, but that's how it works. I love it. I do love it. And this magnet is strong. Those are the only two things that I don't like about the case. I went ahead to do the review on this because I know many of people are seeing this case. They're showing it on Instagram, Facebook, on the internet. And I thought if you were going to get this, maybe I can give you a heads up on what you're going to be looking for once you get this case. Or if you can deal with it and you're cool with it, then okay, at least you know, right? So let's see if this works with the wireless charging. Okay, it does work with wireless charging. Not a problem. Not bad at all. So what do you think, people? I need for you to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if something like this is a deal breaker for you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again at the next video. Take care.